Hi everybody, this is Fengge. This video I'm going to talk about how to create our first package using PKG template. So first thing first, let's go to the documentation of the package template. Just Google PKG templates templates.jl. Yeah. So let's go to Google first. PKG templates. Then this one, PKG template.jl. Then we go to docs. Here, because we want to create new packages, so we go to user guide. So then basically there are 3 steps. First, we need to actually 4. So we need to add package templates first. So here we go to because I want to use my another environment. So let's create our repository first, directory first. So make my pkg demo in test, because I have an parallel version Chinese, so I need to create another directory. And then we go there, my pkg demo in. Okay, then we go to Julia active dot. Then we add pkg templates. Hopefully there's no typo. Okay, good. Then we go to using pkg templates. Then we go to T, and here there's a lot of options for us to add, such as plugins or directories. So then we scroll down a little bit at scroll down more. Okay, so scroll down at a more complicated example, or you can just go here and click a more complicated example. And since I'm most working in GitHub, so I will demonstrate how to create a package on GitHub. So this is what we need first. So I already copied it into my editor. So, but there's a few things we need to change. So username is my GitHub username, and also authors as well. Julia version is 1.5. The dir is the directory where you want to keep the code, or the code generated by the package templates. Then we have plugins. The license, I usually use MIT, and Git, which manifest is true, sh is false. I don't know what does this working, but I set it to false because the previous video I watched, he set this to false, and the manifest equal to true, which we will track manifest in our Git. And also we have the GitHub actions for CI and for the code call for our package. And for CI, this is if you go to others package, I don't know whether we can see it. Okay, so if we go to somebody's package, if you go to their readme, they have some badges over there, and this is for CI, which they will track every merge and every commits they pushed here, and they will automatically run the test case to see whether the commits they are safety enough. They can pass all of the test cases, and also for code coverage. This is a website or a tool to track how many, what if the proportion of your code has been covered by the test case. If I understand this correctly. So this is our code call, and the documenter is here. Whether you can create documentation automatically, and also in their guide they have developed, but I have no idea how this works. So let's don't touch it here. But if you scroll down, they have the documentation for it here developed, but I didn't figure it out, so let's just don't touch it. Okay, so let's copy it here and paste it here. It takes maybe 1 minute. No. So then the next step, if we scroll up at the top, then we put our name of the package. So we put T my pkg demo in .jl. Even though I put JL here, but I think the package template just ignore JL at the end. Let's wait a little bit. I think takes a minute or more. Okay, so then it's done, and we can go to our editor, and then we can see they create a bunch of files over there. They have GitHub actions, they have docs, they have source files, test files, ignore license, manifest, project and .tom, and manifest .tom and readme. So let's go ahead and push our files into GitHub. I don't know whether I create one yet. Nope. So let's create our repository first on the GitHub. So my pkg demo in .jl .jl. Okay, this is my pkg demo English, and you don't need those because the package templates created for you. Then okay, so we don't need all of those. Actually, we only need the last one because the package templates already do all of this for you. So then we go to Git, we exit Julia, and we go into our package. So pkg demo in, and we git push -u origin master. Okay, they require my username. Okay, I'm back. So then I pushed everything into my GitHub, and we can check. If we refresh it, you can see all of the files are there, and the badges are created, even though they had an error here, but don't worry, we will fix it later. And I think that's it. This is our video for how to create our package. Then see you next video.